What is up, you guys? Go ahead and throw those A's in the chat right now if you can hear us. We have just a little bit of a smaller gathering today. So, well, I mean, it's obvious because it's super late at night, right? But let me bring up the chart over here, and we're going to be looking at a slightly different setup, right? So if you can kind of take a look or take a gander here at that screen, this is going to be Cryptic and I preparing for some plays tomorrow. What is up, Safe Pop Culture? Good to see you here. Cyber Sultan, what is good? And yeah, Sebastian is saying that he's going to be in about 5 minutes. No, man, it's all good, dude. Take your time. Or let me type it in. So, Lauren Wood, what's up, dude? And Jay Abrams, what is good, my brother? Good to see you here. Aiden, dude. Man, I hope I don't screw your schedule over for tomorrow, man. But it's all good, man. All good in the hood. Jay Abrams, what is good, my dude? Oh man, I love chai tea. What the hell? The latte. And Busy Brands, what is up, dude? My wife is taking care of him. She felt bad because she had to stay really late at work, right? So she ended up showing up just a little over an hour ago, and she says to me, you know what? Try to do whatever you can with the community. I know you just put out this FNGR video a little late, so maybe try to do something extra for them, right? So I'm here, and Cryptic is also on here with me too, and we're gonna go over some potential plays for tomorrow. And the screen right now is displaying ticker symbol ENPH, and it's a very interesting setup because I was just telling Cryptic right now that I'm actually looking at this on my, you know where that's not going to work? Damn. That's going to be a little bit of a difficult task here. So, as you can see, anytime that you know what? If I do have some Discord professionals here, let me see. You tell me this. Anytime that I go onto another screen, the streaming stops on Discord, see? So what can I do to make sure that does not happen? Do you guys know by chance? Because if that doesn't happen, I'm just going to bring my chart over here, and then we won't be able to see what Sebastian says, but it's all good. Yuca Frita, what is good, man? Busy Brands, my bro. So how's it going, dude? What's up with you? ¿Qué me dices, cabrón? ¿Ya comiste or what? And let's see. Sorry, you guys. Yeah, so if I don't have any pros on Discord here, I'm just gonna go ahead and switch over the screen and bring in the larger scale chart, right? But then we're not gonna be able to see what Sebastian says. But it's all good. Sebastian said it's all good, even though he has us waiting a whole 5 minutes. You had a few tamales or what? Oh man. Cryptic, they're calling you. They're trying to say, bro, you gotta say what's up. Dude, Cryptic actually brought in this ticker symbol ENPH for a great potential short. This is the 5 minute time frame, but it's gonna turn into something else. Yuca Frita. Yuca Frita must be Cuban. Oh, because he had tamales or what? Aiden Davis is saying, estoy muy cansado. You got to put the C-A-N as in Nancy. Estoy muy cansado, you said? So, dude, he's talking about, you're Nicaragüense. All right, Nicaragua. That's good, bro. That's good. I'm Zef. What's up, dude? Hey, ¿qué pasa? Dude, how about this? Are you a pro at Discord? And tell me if you know a workaround of this. Check this out. So anytime that I click on the top screen, my actual screen on top, the 49-inch display, that happens. So see how like the stream goes away? Oh, so I have this, you know how we're on Discord right now, right? And we're all kind of, we're all talking. It shows who it's nice because it highlights who's talking, and it also shows that if Sebastian wants to talk on the chat, then he can show what he's thinking, right? So, but the thing is that whenever I click on the other screen where my actual chart is, in the Discord it says your stream is still running. We've paused this preview to save your resources. So how can I disable that so that it doesn't preserve my resources, Yeah, so it is showing like that, but only when I'm on the Discord screen. So then, I mean, the quick fix here would just be to bring my chart down and then not have us seen on the Discord and the Discord chat, which is, I mean, honestly, that'd be the fastest thing to do, and we could just figure this out later. But for now, yeah, people are seeing the chat. They're seeing the screen, the chart, and also our pictures down here where you can see who's speaking. So, but then the problem is that anytime that I click out, that I click on my actual chart like this, and then it just goes, I click on it and then it just goes away and it says your stream is still running, but saving the resources, right? So I think that could be under maybe settings or something. Man, it's like gaming live and can't really get it. Listen, Mr. Cool Projects just said cipote, dude. That is like for El Salvadorians, and I'm definitely one, right? But I have a mix in blood. I have Mexican in my blood, and I have both. Just rub. Let's see. Just rub salt on the wound and my end phrase position. Just mean no bueno. Oh my goodness, you guys. But yeah, I think, you know what? I'm just gonna go ahead and switch over, right? I'm gonna make sure that it's just our chart screen that's showing instead of this. So because this is, I guess we'll just figure it out later, right? So we'll do this, right? So now you'll get the visibility for a larger. Oh, you know what? I could still sort of do it. Yeah, I could still sort of do it. Let me show you what I mean. Really? Oh, I see. Check. Are you watching the screen, or are you watching the stream at all? Check this out. Because I could also do something like this. Hold on. There's a pop out here that can leave. There we go. Right. Yeah, I'm actually doing the share screen option. So check this out. So this is right? So this is the chat here from Discord, and now I have I mean, it's very small. I guess I can make it a little larger still, right? But actually I could. But I know what you're talking about too, Zef. I'm gonna do it like this and then bring this thing over. Are you watching what I'm doing? What do you think? Not bad. So yeah, you guys, so we Cryptic brought up this ticker here. Oh, actually, you know what? I want to make sure that you guys are seeing my let me look at YouTube real quick. Okay, cool. It is showing it. Dude, it's super complex to do this, but I guess we're good now. So ENPH, he actually showed me this image here. If you guys can see it, I'm gonna make it a little larger just for now. Let me make sure that I remember where it is. At the edge of Microsoft Edge. Right, so, oh, it doesn't do that? Nice. All good. So, I mean, it's a very small picture here. Let me see if I can get it to show up. Yeah, I'll do this instead. So this is the picture that Cryptic just shared with us, right? And this could be, this is a falling wedge on a daily time frame for ENPH, and you can see price action all the way down here. It's already gapped down, and it's already cleared outside of this wedge, which is kind of rare, and that's not usually seen for falling wedges, right? So if that's really the case, then there could be a small or a short-term recovery before this thing can actually face an upside, right? So first of all, let me go back into the daily time frame and show you this. Oh, dude, Cryptic, do you want to show it on your end? Actually, I can actually show that. Share your screen, and then they could see it here. And then when I chime in, I could just come back into my chart. Let me go ahead and just I can. Oh. Right. I gotcha. So, dude, yeah. So I guess I can disconnect my screen. There you go, and then you would just share yours, and I would just make yours larger, right, like this. So you're ready. I'm sorry. Yeah, pretty much you're ready to go whenever. Let me see. No way. We've always done this. Let's see. If anything, I'm just gonna draw your stuff, right? But dude, what the hell? That you're usually able to share your screen. Zef, do you have the option to share your screen? Well, I do. Nice. Sweet. Yeah, and then when you choose the thing to share your screen, it shows you literally every freaking window you have open individually. And every monitor. So like whatever you have open, but it will only show what you ask for it to show. Because like Discord is really strict with that, and I kind of hate it because you can't like bring in another window and just slide it in. That's kind of annoying. Oh, here it is. This is his screen. It's loading. There we go. Nice, bro. We could see it. Ah, man. So so this is the falling wedge that you're talking about, right? And you have a huge drop to 96. But what are your thoughts? Yeah, I don't think so either, dude. I mean, that top side of that gap that you have, or the bottom of the gap, right? That's like $104, and I really don't think. I mean, if it does, I guess it would resist from there. But you still, what moving average is the one right under that red candle from the gap? Yeah, that one. Yeah, that's the SMA 10, dude. That's yeah, I think it would resist from there before anything, and that's already really high. But coming back to the pennant that we were drawing on the potential 5-minute, or it's not a pennant, it would be a bear flag. That's showing like a top side of around $80, 82 at max. So what are you thinking? Some options? Huh? Wait, what? No way. Let's see. Wait, guys, let me know if we can hear Cryptic. Yeah, chat. Let me know if it's like a 7-second delay, right? So it's always going to be a little. Can you hear Zephram? Say hi, Zephram. And I know how to do it. I know how to do it too. Actually, I think I got it. Let me see. Say check, you guys. All right, check this out.
Hello.
Yeah, I'm sure you can hear him now.
Hello.
Can you hear me, you dumbass Lauren?
Now for sure he's gonna hear.
Man, you guys missed like the best 10 minutes of banter we ever had.
Guys, we just bantered out and like you didn't even know. Damn it.
I know.
All right, so guys, I'm sorry. So one more time, bro.
So
Repeat what you're saying.
About this. We're talking about this gap down that happened during earnings, perfectly breaking down on the descending wedge. But it gapped down, it blew through here, all the way down to freaking here. So,
huge drop.
Yeah, huge. I don't think it even makes it back to the SMA 10, to the 10 here. It's gonna do something like this and boom, crash. So my thought were since it's at 0 DTE, we got puts that are pretty cheap right now. The 80 puts are like 89 with pretty big volume.
Are you viewing them right now?
Yeah.
What's the delta on your 0 DTE? What, like close to at the money, or the tick right before the money?
Give me a sec. Delta would be 48, negative 48, so 48 cents.
Wow. So guys, that's when we have a delta of like 50.
Lauren, no, I don't think it'll come back up. It's too far to go.
It's too far.
Yeah.
Dude, we're talking about a move from 96 to 104. That's like a 10-point move up, and you have an SMA 10 and the gap resistance. It's too much.
Yeah, I'm thinking it pops back up maybe to the 200 on the 5 at the most, which is 90, and down. But that's even way too much. I don't think it gets that far.
I don't think so either, dude. What are you seeing on the 5-minute on your end? Like before I pulled up a bear flag, what do you see at least? I'm sorry, because you told me to pull up the 5-minute, and I'm like, dude, you know what? This looks super bearish. But I was curious to see what you were personally seeing on your end of the 5-minute before I called out a formation. Did you notice a moving average or something that was going to send this thing to the ground? Or a short-term upside, maybe?
What I'm seeing is the moving averages that are above it. Okay, it crashed down during earnings, right? It tried to recover a little bit. But the 10 and the 20 are holding it up, and it's still below it. So it couldn't even recover back to 82.
Yeah,
so
I don't think it's going to happen.
Tells me whenever I see something like that with a huge gap down, and it doesn't start recovering, it usually tells me it's going to crash back down.
Oh, dude. I think I'm feeling the same thing. And so, but it had good earnings though. Or was it a miss?
It had terrible earnings.
And it's showing up as green. It is showing up as a earnings beat. So
it did beat for shares, but its forward-looking outlook was really bad.
Oh, I see.
It's the guidance that gets it. Guidance. Earnings don't matter. Guidance is what matters.
I see. Okay,
that's what crashes a stock.
That's really observant. And what I'm gonna do, I guess I'm already sharing. Were you gonna share your screen? Sorry.
I was just gonna share the DAS.
Yeah. Let's do that. Let's do that. Sorry. Let me go ahead and pull this back out. I see your screen coming up now. Here we go. And let me drag it back in. Here we go.
Because like the analyst forecast for sales for next quarter were supposed to be 579 million, but the guidance from the company said it was projected down to 300 to 350 million. So like almost half.
Oh my goodness. Can that also serve as a downgrade in the price?
Probably, yeah.
Oh my goodness.
So this is what I was saying. You see this line right here? That line right there was kind of like where it tried to bounce up. When you do earnings plays, you look for a wick like this, and then if it doesn't bounce off here, you re-short right here. So this shows weakness at this point. Something was here.
Yeah.
So this is the farthest I think it could get up, 84.11.
That looks like it.
Yeah. So it's kind of, you see all these EMAs right here, there's no way it gets through them.
I don't think so either. There's too much, man.
Unless it does this, but there's no way. Not with the gap down.
Yeah, this is a huge panic sell, and it triggered all kinds of stop losses on the way down too.
Yep.
So guys, what you're observing there, what the image that you just saw, that is actually DAS Trader Pro, and that's the platform where I'm moving into. If you were curious, right, over what I've been saying, in the last few days. So that's the direct access execution platform, and so a market order would be instant with that, and you can really like stomp on whoever is trying to trade this asset. You'll have. I mean, a lot of people don't even know that they're getting around a 5 to 15 second delay on their Webull or Moomoo or whatever brokers. So we're talking about a 0.00015 second delay of execution with real live market
it looks like
data.
Windows 95, but it
does.
actually works good.
I think they have to have it like
yes.
that.
Yeah, Lauren, there is negative delta, but remember we're starting puts, so you want negative delta. You want it to go down 50 cents.
Yeah, absolutely. And remember that that's just the delta at the current price, right? So we're picking it right. I mean, slightly out of the money.
And it still hasn't shown how it's going to react to this.
Yeah, exactly, because of the after hours trading. So what I'm thinking here is that I'm sorry. So your delta, yes, it's not the only thing that you're going to get, right? So you have gamma also, which applies to your delta for every dollar increment that you complete, right? I mean, I'm saying the max delta, the max gamma gets applied to every dollar that you complete, right? Up or down. So, and now for every point that your implied volatility moves up, the Vega adds to that total into your delta. So everything is kind of feeding into the delta, right? The difference between all of the Greeks into that one option, into that one delta measurement or metric. So this can actually amplify harder with a faster drop and with a higher volatility drop. So it's kind of hard to tell how much you're going to be able to gain, but usually we choose these options contracts that are slightly out of the money so that when it does jump into the money, at least a quarter into the money, you're gonna start really experiencing something called an IV pump, which is your implied volatility pump. And that in the negative side, or in this case, the call side, they're going to experience something called an IV crush. So they're going to get crushed by implied volatility too. Tell me, brother.
And looking at this, people were betting long on this. If you look at the
daily
7, look at the 81s are worth $15.
Oh, the 81s are damn.
The 88s are worth $10.
Oh, they must have been 100 and something. How much were they before? They must have been so expensive.
They were like 36, 37.
Wow, they're zeroed out right now.
People were betting, and our buddy, they were actually betting that this would go up. If you look at his Discord, they were betting up.
They were betting up? Are we going to be honest about who that is or what? I said, are we going to be honest about who that is?
No.
All right, I'm down.
We can't smoke him. Come on.
No, we can't do that. Sucks. But dude, wow. He was betting long? Damn it. Like we got to know when earnings come out, guys. We can't just bet that.
Tomorrow morning's gonna be really bad for them. Oh my God.
So that's what I'm saying. Look at all these people that bet.
Oh God.
All these. Let me see the 1 second. Let me see the volume open interest. Like there's pretty big open interest for 100. Like all these people that bet that the volume is 3,000 calls.
Oh my goodness. That is just going to be liquidity for the downside. It's just going to be gas.
1,000 volume for the 98s.
Oh, dude.
3,000 volume for the 3,200 volume for the 105s.
So pretty much whoever is long this is going to get smoked.
Smoked.
Bro, oh my goodness. I almost feel bad. And we're over here already plotting the short play on it. That's insane.
And the puts are cheap.
and it has
The
zero
only problem with
DTE.
this, the only problem, the only problem with this is that they're spready. So whoever goes into these gonna kind of get a good price.
You have to market execute this. Yeah, when the spread is a little too wide, that you can be the broker. If it's a slow execution, broker can slap you on the terrible side of the ask, especially for a
So
put.
on these,
Or I'm sorry, on the
on these, gotta
on
kind
the
of be
bid.
careful.
Yeah.
Just because they're spready. It's right now it's 75.89.
Damn. It's not
So the
even a
spread
5
is
point. It's like 10 points.
10-point spread.
75.89. That's
bet is
14
to bid in
points,
the middle.
Dude.
Your best bet is to bid in the middle and hope it crashes, and if it does, you'll be fine.
Oh, Busy, you sent me a friend request on in Discord. Me? Let me sorry, dude. I probably have a million in there, and I'm not really. Also, should I be? I don't understand like why there's a friend request on Discord in the first place. Is that like
It's so like if you guys like leave the servers, like leave mutual servers, you guys can still message each other.
Oh,
Yeah,
okay.
that's what it's for.
That's
And
pretty
sometimes
cool.
and sometimes, and I personally leave my personal messages only for friends, so I don't get like random messages to scam me or something.
Oh, I see. Dude, so message. Okay, no, that's not friends. Oh, I see. Pending. Oh my God, there are so many.
Yeah, you probably have like several hundred or something.
Dude, what the heck is going on here? Like, I'm not gonna go through that.
Just deny them all.
I can't do that, dude. It's just there's always so like so many requests and stuff, dude. And I promise it's not that I don't want to. It's just that it's so
Just
much.
start clicking the X, and if it's important, they'll reach out again.
Yeah.
Like, seriously.
I did tell people that once. I did tell people that once. I said, hey guys, if you want to like, get in touch with me and I'm not replying, I promise that it's not a personal thing. I swear on everything. It's just that I haven't seen it. So try again, try again and I'll probably reply. And oftentimes, dude, I come onto my DMs and then magically a DM appears on that moment. And then I'll happen to just reply to that one. So
yeah, I mean, that's
right.
sorry, that's why I'm surprised you reply so quickly sometimes, because I figured you get hundreds or at least dozens of DMs a day.
What did you?
but you always reply to me within like half a day or whatever, or even less.
It's because I have the notifications really tight.
Yeah.
So there's only a few people I want to hear from, right? Because out of that, dude, it's just gonna be an endless echo.
Yeah.
So Lauren, what does that mean? So many zeros and one messaged me yesterday. Oh, you mean you? Like you got that many messages yesterday?
Oh no, I think he just means like someone with that username, or like a fake pretender ARCa try to message him.
Bro, deny that and ban them or report them. Call the police.
I delete all of those guys off the server.
And I try to catch them too, and it's like you're already getting to them. I swear, man, we have to be careful. Wall Street Ponzi, what's up? B, what is good, dude? And look, check it out. So B in the chat, he's usually he's usually someone who plays only the larger cap assets and stuff. So specifically Tesla. Him and I have looked into like things like Meta too and other stuff like that, right? So he's saying ENPH will take SEDG, that's Sunrun, and others down. So because it's an energy. What? It's an energy.
They're all solar companies, aren't they?
Mm-hmm.
These are all solar?
Yeah.
Dude, so the sector is going to be crap tomorrow.
Yeah.
Yep.
What is the dude? So then we should be looking at a 3x lever. What is the 3x lever to this? Let me see. Solar overrated.
I think the entire solar industry's been struggling lately.
Dude, I'm gonna figure it out right now.
Yeah, that's the reason I like it, because this is a big company and this is gonna take down a lot.
Yeah, dude. So, what is the bear? I guess 3x lever ETF for solar. Let's see. So I guess we can. Oh, there's a database for the leveraged 3x inverse, dude. We can even long the crap out of an inverse, just like we did semiconductors with the SOXS. Let's see. The Dow Jones is SDow, SPXS. That's S&P 500. Has any? I'm keeping an Invesco. That's So Wall Street Ponzi is saying that it would be TAN, TAN. Yeah, SOXS was a massive play, bro. Dude, so many, freaking everyone gained. That was incredible, and honestly, it was Nvidia that kind of gave it. I don't know if they like. Why would it sell off that hard, right? I mean, they were oversold or overbought. Sorry, but why did it fall that hard?
Dude, everything's crashing.
Yeah, it could have just been influenced by Apple, Meta, freaking Microsoft, all of that.
The one that went down today kind of hard was Amazon, but I think that one's going to recover. That's the other one I had in mind.
Oh, okay, dude. So let me
But that one,
Yeah.
now you can see the difference between what Amazon did and what EMPH did. That one crapped down too, but it kind of recovered all the way.
Oh, okay.
So that tells me it's going to go up.
Dude, look at it is TAN. Wall Street Ponzi. Thanks, brother.
Yep.
Check this out,
That's
dude.
it.
Oh, nice.
And yeah, there's your gap.
So this is a 3x lever, and is there a TAN L or is there a long for TAN, or I'm sorry, the inverse? I want to know that too. Let me see. Yeah, for bull. Yeah, this is particularly to the bulls, right? So I want the inverse one to see because sometimes people feel a little apprehensive of opening up puts versus longs. It's really the same thing, but it's just opposing direction.
Man,
But
puts are easier.
honestly, yeah, dude. I mean, volatility
Everything goes down
increases.
faster.
Yeah, volatility increases way harder towards the downside. I try to tell people that, but it's just it's kind of taboo. So yeah, what is the bear for TAN? I'm gonna try to figure that out too. Let me see.
Yeah, I'm trying to find it too.
Bear.
It's move faster too.
Yeah, I completely agree.
Well, I'm going to short this with shares though.
You are?
Yeah.
Let's see. So, all right, I'm keeping an eye on the chat. Oh, is it TZA? Small cap bull and bear at 3x. Oh no, TN. Oh, wait. Hold on. No, that's not it. TAN is the top performing non-leveraged. How is this non-leveraged? It says, oh yeah, this is non-levered. Yeah, it is the ETF for solar, but it's not levered. I'm looking for the 3x. Let's see. So B is saying ERX. Let me take a look at ERX. This is a 2x lever for the direction. So yeah, this is direction energy. And this is the bull. So ERX, would it be S? Let me see.
The other one looks better because it acted just like EMPH.
It did. But it's not levered. You don't care? It's a little cheaper.
Who cares? What are let's see, what's it called?
The other one was TAN, TAN. I mean, in this, yeah. So, right, this is more affordable, right? Because the ticker, the EN, what is it again? ENPH. Yeah, ENPH.
I don't like the volume on the option chain though.
Oh, really? So then, still, the ENPH would be still a better option than this. Oh, there we go. So B is saying ERY.
But actually, correction. The 38s have volume.
Oh, they do.
But those are like nothing. That's there's zero.
Yeah.
Like we could load up on 1,000 of these, and if it goes down, we're gonna make bank.
Dude, take a look at this. This is the direction daily energy bear 2x. lever. So this is the inverse, right? So this is going up while things are going down, and it doesn't really look like solar though. Let's see.
There's no volume on this at all.
On yeah, let me see. And in
The option
fact, it's
change, so I won't even touch it.
Yeah, agreed. And it's all, I mean, better opportunity here too, but still, dude, I still think that the ticker that you mentioned is still the better option. Seeing the volume that's not so high on the yeah, if it's not something like comparable to
Not,
like the
not huge
SQQQ,
enough.
right? Yeah. If it's not like the SQQQ or the like the semiconductors has the SOXS, SOXL, if it's not that kind of volume, then no. It's still right now the best option I think would be the ticker itself, ENPH. So let me go back into that, and I'm gonna touch down real quick into what I'm looking at as the 5 minute formation, right? So yeah, this here. So ENPH 5 minute formation. This looks like a bear flag, and so the top side, the resistance here. If I mean, does it have after hours or no? It does, right?
Yeah, it
It
does.
has to have. So
Here, on
8071
this one, your option change though is still a little
on ENPH. Oh, so that's why you're trying to do shares
on
only.
10.
Oh, on TAN. Okay,
Oh, no,
gotcha.
EMPH is fine. Oh, I thought you were on 10.
No, I
I'm
think
sorry.
I think the best option, honestly, dude, since there's not that much of or the it's not ideal volume. It probably directly on the ENPH ticker would be the better option.
Yeah,
Like,
EMPH has very good volume for tomorrow's puts. It actually has huge volumes for tomorrow's puts. The
okay,
only problem would be the spread,
the spread. Oh, right, it's a wide spread, which
the
is
white spread. So,
honestly just volatility.
uh
Okay, so the top side resistance here, I guess we could let me match when you have a moving average like this, at least in my strategy, I tend to not take into consideration directly the moving average. In this case, it does match a pretty I mean, it does correlate to a candle back here pretty nicely. This one here, the wick low. So that has a direct correlation with the EMA7. So, but usually, if when I see a resistance or a support from a moving average, I'll tend to look back and to see what area it would be most likely latching onto. So I look at it more like an anchor, right? So if your moving average is sitting like if it were sitting here at 81.22, but the wick is down to 81, I would likely favor the static, right? So meaning the thing that does not move, which is already a printed candle. This is ever evolving, and it's going to continue moving depending on price action, right? And what it does. So in this case, I think that would be the best case scenario for this, and it may not even be likely. So I think that it could reach maybe and Cryptic, you're thinking 84, right? So this is like showing me 8103 at least, right? So if we do reach an 84, that'd be great. Honestly, that would be the 8325 and of the Gaussian band on a 5 minute. But I don't like
yeah,
using Gaussians on a 5.
I'm thinking that you're the top of that one 5 minute candle, which is the reporting candle. The
8076,
difference between the body and the wick, right there, it's at 8403.
8403. Hold on. 8403 is way up here. Let me see.
It's way up there. I mean, that's like a max.
Oh, I see. Like kind of like a best case scenario type thing.
Uh-huh. Yeah,
Yeah, this right here. So that's like
right.
probably there, right? It's 84 directly on that. So sorry, let me see the closing of this candle. That the closing. Well,
That's
at
when it
least
starts to recover,
yeah.
and that kind of lines up with a break of the 50 SMA.
We could prep this in two ways. Let's just say that the pennant play or the bear flag played as a pennant instead of a bear flag, right? So we can take let's just say that it would break out here on the 5 minute chart, 70% to the apex. That's 83.13, which is really close to that 84-cent target that you're talking about. So that's already the completion of this move entirely. The center of this bear flag, which could be right about here. Let's apply it to that breakout zone. And that would give us about 82.18. The candle down here would be, the wick high of this candle here and the wick low of this candle would be around 82. So that's already pretty confluent to that. And then obviously the breakout candle. So let's just say, right, like this over here, we said that we would break out from here. Then that would give us the price objective of about 81.74, which is the opening of this candle here. So if we have these three targets to kind of look out for, this thing could actually play both plays to their equal distances, right? So meaning that you'll get the breakout to the upside here, and then you can actually fail it when it's eventually just going to continue capitulating, right? Because it's a 5-minute time frame. Yeah. That bottom side is suggesting all-time low.
It's going to fail. Yeah, it's going to fail.
I feel like it is, dude. And this is just this is huge panic. This is massive panic. And you can already see that there's not enough in comparison to this bounce here, not enough buy pressure. And in fact, if you're looking at this like in a 15, let me see this on a 30-minute. Oh, dude, that's a bear flag all damn day.
Yeah, it looks horrible.
And also the hourly is 3 black crows. I mean, I just, the green candle, obviously, but still, this is like the epitome of bearish. That doesn't look good. That doesn't look good at all. Only a miracle can save the crap out of this. Guys, we have a shot here. We have a shot to make some serious gain. And I think that entry could be anywhere between 80 to 84, maybe a focus at around 81 or 83. And let's see what about the regression bands on this, dude? Are they? Jeez. I don't even know that I can trust this. This is knocking at the door of that support. Let me see this on the 30-minute, but 30-minute is already pushy for me. I really don't like to use this in smaller time frame. Oh, well, the buy hourly would be the answer here. The buy hourly, it's look at the top trend line, bro. The 84 that you're talking about, or 83, that would be the mid-band resistance. Since we closed down here on the buy hourly time frame of the LRC, the linear regression channel, this thing could bounce and then just get that resistance grab here, close that buy hourly candle beneath the 83-cent zone or the dollar zone, and then get these puts to just print massive. Dude, this could be a 300% gainer or more. Massive opportunity here. I am bullish. Sebastian, are you here, bro? He hasn't been here. He was here for a little bit.
He just put EMPH on the ticker and left.
He's like, what? This is not HUBC? Out.
He's like, it's not a shit stock. I'm gone.
Yeah, what the hell, man? This guy just wants all those tiny little...
yeah, Lauren, 0DT.
Yeah, dude. Yeah. And Cryptic was saying that it has a delta of 48. So, oh, you are here, Sebastian. You're just in YouTube. I thought you were man, we're going to have to put a mic in front of you one day, bro, when you're not at the office. Guys, right now is midnight here with us, right? It's probably freaking 1 PM for Sebastian. Dude. Yeah, no, I don't think this is bullish whatsoever. I really think, guys, this is just a huge panic and it's going to continue. And seeing that let me pull this up on it. Okay, so at least for me, Cryptic, I think the buy hourly and the 5-minute are sweet spots for this. So it's very similar to what we already, that setup that you put together, for us here, the hourly versus the 5-minute. So in this case, I'm thinking that that we could probably do a buy hourly and 5-minute on this one, seeing the condition, right? So this is going to be ENPH. So this is the setup here. I do feel super bearish on this, man. Thanks, brother. Thanks for playing this. Are you gonna play this with your mentor, and then head over to the stream on YouTube later on? Cryptic. Did I actually? Sorry, bro.
I wonder if we could play puts for next week too.
Damn, you think? But
I
I
would,
don't know.
yeah.
the
'Cause-
exposure over the weekend, though. Ugh.
Well, we
No,
wouldn't pick
I
them
would
up
say move on
tomorrow.
Monday,
but
honestly.
yeah.
Yeah,
Move on
Monday.
Pick up 0 DTs for whatever move we have tomorrow, and then Monday,
Compound the crap out of it.
yep, weeklies.
They just, dude. CMEG. They already got back to me.
Oh, nice. You got your ID stuff all in order.
No, it's. Damn it. It's definitely, guys. My thing is expired. Because my birthday just passed, so that's I have to go and get that done.
They having you upload more stuff?
Yeah, they're gonna. They told me that I can just upload that paper that I can get, while the print actually comes out, because they already have the picture on the driver's license that just got expired. So they said that's fine. It's just as long as we can get the renewal of your driver's license, and then this will be good enough. But dude, they replied next day. What the hell? That
That's
didn't
good.
happen to me the last time. It took like a month or two. And so I'm just yet another step away from getting this Dash Trader up and running. B, what is FSLR, bro? Is that they're reporting earnings tomorrow? B, dude, B plays the right plays, dude. Check this out.
It's first for solar, I think.
Oh, right. Damn. So this is reporting earnings next week. Dude, huge bi-hourly head and shoulders right now. This thing is going to capitulate. Bi-hourly time frame RSI is beneath the SMA 14. The 5-minute time frame is not really in my scope right now, other than the fact that we could. Dude, this has a real shot at closing a bi-hourly or an hourly. Let me see the hourly. Dude, this is a dead cat. That's insane, dude. This is gonna fall, and it's gonna fall really deep. Damn, gotta keep this one. B, thanks so much, dude. Gotta keep this one in the watch list, because this could potentially go down to. This is a good play, bro. Down to 146.01.
When's that report?
Yeah, B. When does it report earnings? Like the actual day. I know that we can pull up these earnings. I didn't put it up on the Discord. That's something I should have done.
I use Earnings Whisper.
Right, that thing that Jim Cramer always has, like that huge panel of earnings. That thing. I love to get that image, and I didn't get it this time. And we've been on earnings this whole time.
October 31st at 1 p.m. East Pacific.
October 31st at 1 p.m. Pacific. Yeah. So right at market close, to avoid market volatility, of course.
Yeah.
But so I
guess
guess
you should get Earnings Whispers, dude. That's where everything is.
Earnings Whisper?
Earnings Whispers, yeah.
Earnings Whispers, okay. Damn it, man.
It's free.
Oh, it is.
It shows you yeah. It's pretty cool. It shows you the time, the expected move, etc.
Oh, that's awesome. I'm gonna add this, dude. So FSLR, right? And then also Wall Street Ponzi is telling us to check out. Yeah, I'm gonna add that there. It'll be at the very. You know what? Yeah, I'm gonna keep it at. I'm gonna keep it.
I'm expecting the same gap down on this as the MPH.
Damn, possibly.
Yeah.
It already resisted from this hourly gap here. That was the top side of 149.99 or 150. This feels like it's gonna eat crap, dude. This is a massive double bottom failure. It's not gonna do it. And this thing is just it's actually it's creating a series of just lower highs, lower lows. Although it does have a little bit of a regression here, but I wouldn't trust it. This is not a macro scale. It would take, I would say all the way out to here, maybe to Tuesday next week. And when is it reporting again? On Friday?
Tuesday 31st.
Damn. That would be the macro bottom. Yeah, dude. I think this is probably about to report some negative crap. So Wall Street, let me. You said ARRI. So the delta theta ratio, Wall Street Ponzi is saying is better on ARRY. Let's take a look at it.
Ooh, the option chain is hella expensive.
Is it really? And it's 17.
Yeah.
It's a $17 asset, and it's really pricey like that. It's similar to
The
Nvidia
150
puts.
puts are 685.
What?
Yep.
Damn. That. I mean, I can play one. And what is it? The next day,
shares.
dude? Right? Seriously. What's the date on it? Is that a same day expiry or zero DTE?
No, it's the third. It's for next week.
Oh, so okay, so the weekly expiry, dude. Oh my goodness,
Yeah.
$700 put.
The DTEs are $2 though.
How much?
The zero DTEs are 143 and 159.
That's doable. I'll be able to do a clean like 5 of them or 4 of them, and then that'll be.
I don't think it's gonna do it tomorrow though.
No. I think that this would be something for us to pick up in the maybe Monday
I think
or Tuesday.
ENPH is your move for tomorrow.
Yes.
This will be next week.
Yeah, I agree. So I'm gonna leave this one in the watch list too, just in case, right? So ARRY, but huge. I mean, that only tells me, dude, that if we pick up $100 put, it can be worth $700. That's the kind of implied volatility that this thing has. So I'm just gonna keep it in there just for the hell of it. And but yeah, tomorrow ENPH feels like it's gonna be the play. Let me add it to this list too. Are you playing this right at the beginning?
Well, I played the opening range breakout, so I might play the break up and then the breakdown.
Dude, you really play the first minute or the first?
I play the first 5. I wait for the first 5 print, and then I catch whatever momentum is, a buck or 2 up.
Using an EMA 9 and an EMA 5?
No, using the 10 and the 20.
The SMA 10 and SMA 20 on a 5-minute, and validation would be. I guess it's similar. That would be similar-ish to maybe like VWAP the way it used to be. So where you can get the confirmation close above or under, and that would be your short or long.
Right. Yeah, but VWAP doesn't have power anymore.
Yeah,
So
no. Unless you anchor it.
stronger.
I've noticed that if you anchor the VWAP, it has a little more credibility, but the deviation from price to VWAP is becoming way wider now. You know, so I think it's too exponential. So using your traditional moving averages are probably better now.
Yep.
Let's see. It depends on the pre-market. Let's see. No, we're waiting for 5 minutes. Wall Street Ponzi. I like Monday or Tuesday next week. Same here, brother. For ARRY, I think early next week. And so Sebastian is asking what my thoughts are for Tesla tomorrow. Dude, Tesla is that thing. Remember at the end of the stream, I said, no, you guys don't open the puts because this thing has the potential to just flip bullish. So that's literally what happened. And I really hope that no one opened up the puts when I said not to, right? So not financial advice, but damn.
You know what? If you look at Tesla, just look at the daily on Tesla with the gap down. That's probably what EMPH is going to do.
That would be
If you look at
stupid.
down
Look at that,
and then
dude.
try to dead cat and then down.
Yeah, that it feels like it. Oh my goodness.
No full recovery.
Definitely not. I get, dude. See, the problem here is that. Well, I guess if let me see this on the bi-hourly and hourly, right? Those two are okay. So this bi-hourly closed as a support of this bottom side here. So there could still be an upside here. So now the simple fact here is that it may not reach like these huge targets like the way we've been looking at, right? I mean, Tesla does have the power to do that, obviously, right? So I'm just not sure that it's going to do that because of how the market overall is bleeding, right? So like, for example, Let's pull up. I mean, even the cues are telling you, right? Nasdaq and SPY are very similar. So look at this. So we're currently just massively gapping down. Let me get rid of the drawings real quick. There, see, it looks very similar to the QQQ as well. So this kind of pressure to the downside, dude, I don't think you're gonna get recoveries from any of these tickers, right, dude? So first of all, I mean, this kind of looks like a Head and Shoulders, right, on a 12-hour time frame. This upside could be the resistance right up here for the SPY. So maybe SPY puts as well, right? So if we're not catching the play correctly on ENPH, SPY puts could be in order here at 416.53 on a buy on the 12-hour time frame, right? So that means that on an hourly time frame, that could be SPY puts right up here at 416.85. If it does get that. So I mean, closing the hourly upside of this mid band, that's pretty bullish, right? We're gonna get some type of upside here. Not sure that it's gonna reach all the way to the opposing zone, like the way I'm talking to you about Tesla may not reach that. But I do have some conviction that this upside is more likely than not, and we have a very clean 3 white soldiers on the hourly. It's a bit bullish. I would start watching out for a resistance level. First of all, we have to watch out for this tweezer top here in the hourly. So that range to the top side of about 415.98, that's already kind of a dangerous area, right? So if we start resisting from there, that would be something like this here, where it didn't quite reach the top area here and it just started capitulating. So it may do that again. And we can't ignore a few signals already, though. Like, for example, this right here, right? So what the heck? Let me get that tool. Come on, man. We can't ignore something like this either. The fact that you have this regression with kind of a, it's pretty tight here, right? And it's multiple candles that are aligned with each other nicely. We can't ignore things like that, right, dude? So I guess if we align it wick to wick basis, then one of the resistance zones to kind of look out for would be immediately 415.21. But what that tells me is that it's going to be 415.21, then it would be 414.60, and then back up here and then resist overall from this point. Huge speculation, but that could be it, right? But I don't know. What do you think, Cryptic? Do you think that we could probably play this? Oh, dude, thanks for the earnings whispers.
I have a feeling it's going to be choppy at first.
And as far as the earnings, oh right, yeah, it's all good. You can go ahead and accept the cookies. So that's FSLR, that's First Solar earnings that we're looking at, right? So let's see.
Just type in the
calendar.
Yeah. So type in the ticker where it says ticker.
Oh, I guess I just wanted to see what's coming up tomorrow in general.
Oh yeah, calendar.
Because that's the week, right?
Mm-hmm.
Let's see. September. No, what the hell?
Go to calendar and then click the 27.
The week of the 27th. Is that what
it
was?
Go to calendar up top.
Click 27 and you'll see all the earnings.
Oh yeah, that's what I did. I went to calendar, clicked on 27, and then I'm seeing XOM, CVX. Those, right? Oh, but for tomorrow. So should I click on? We're already on the 27th. That's right. It's midnight.
Click on calendar. Calendar. Right there, and click on 27.
Yeah, that's literally this.
That's left.
So now, what's credible here, man?
Right. No, click on calendar 27.
Yeah, I did. Check it out. So here.
No, you didn't. That's not
it. You mean this?
No. Click calendar.
Yeah, calendar.
One more time. And right there. There you go. That's your earnings for tomorrow.
What? So it says Friday, October 27, 2023 before open.
Yep.
Dude, let me see the list view. Oh, that's cool. Nice. Are you guys catching anything here that would be of I guess something that can move the markets. Did we already get
What
rid of all of the blue chips?
what I do, I use
Exxon,
Finviz
yeah,
with preset earnings configuration to find my movers.
I see. So
There's nothing pre-market right now.
yeah, nothing that would be yeah, dude. I mean, the only
Uh-uh.
thing that I saw as any type of credibility is Exxon so far, but I mean, also,
Um, maybe ABBV, but that's kind of expensive.
yeah, that's damn. What is this though? Let's see it.
That pops up number one in my on my list.
So it's estimated to beat expectations. That's going to be 7:38 a.m. Eastern time. So that's going to be 4:38 a.m. Pacific time. There could be some volatility on this, but do you think it has? I mean, it is like $145 asset. It's pretty expensive. Do you think it has enough to move the markets though, like the way? Because technically, this is
No,
a large cap, right? It's not a.
well, technically pre-market earnings don't move the market like aftermarket earnings
Yeah, that's right.
because people that everybody has access to aftermarket, but not to pre-market.
I see.
So
So
that's why all the big boys do it aftermarket, not pre-market.
yeah, and I think they probably have to, right?
Um,
So that they don't induce like market unnecessary market volatility.
I mean, Exxon could move it, but I mean,
Yeah, that's what I was thinking too. That I mean, that's almost 100 billion right there. 88.56. That's about as big. Yeah, about as big as it's gonna get. So if they're
Exxon would be the only thing that would move it. I think
and it's
XOM,
what's the
XOM.
no what's the earnings? Are they thinking a beat? Oh, they're thinking that it's gonna be a miss.
Yep.
And a miss by just over 5 points, dude. This can yeah, that can feed the fire to the downside. And what is this? What moving average does it have here? Oh, it's an earnings AVWAP. So I mean, it is under it. That doesn't look the best right here. And it's a bearish crossover on the MACD. Bearish prints already. Bear pressure is coming in on the weekly chart at least. Okay, so yeah, man, I think at least this is telling us that there could be a continuation to the downside. So I feel, yeah, man, I feel like I feel like we could get a temper, and this could be in the early pre that there could be that move, that slight move to the upside, and then we could see that sell off happen. It's just a SPY hourly close upside of the mid band. That's pretty bullish, you know. But dude, I think Sebastian, I think we should be really. I can't. It's really choppy, right, dude? And this thing, Tesla closing right in the mid band as a support. I see the upside too, but and also this is the confirmation candle after a hammer, right? So the hammer candle prints. The next candle printing green with a very low, with a very small wick on top, if any. That's the confirmation for a continuation to the upside. So, but remember how much there is going against Tesla. So the moment that SPY turns around, and any of the other mega caps or the Magnificent Seven, if they turn around, that's just it's gonna be over. And I'm not discrediting Tesla because it's freaking huge. It's 654 billion. You know, it's just you have some $1 trillion assets over there, man. The caps that can really induce a downside here. But I think we have the play, bro. I think ENPH may be the way to go. And you're going to play the opening ranges on this for sure? Like the 0 DTE puts you want to do later or what?
Yeah, you gotta do them later because you
The
gotta
morning
let the
volatility is
volatility
too much.
settle in.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's too much volatility at the beginning. Once you get your resistance, that's when you play them.
Yeah. And also, once I get a damn DAS trader, then I could be a little more edgy.
You can play with me.
Yeah, for sure, dude. Let's do. I mean, if you're done with your mentor enough with enough time, come by and then we'll rip them.
That's my screener, by the way.
Oh, the Finvid. Okay, interesting, dude. They were offering me like trade ideas, and I'm like, dude, no, I don't like trade ideas too much. It's like, at least for I'm not I guess I did for remember the ticker picks that I would do ARCa ticker picks or whatever or ARCa picks quick picks. Sorry. So I did ARCa quick picks. Those were done with a scanner. I had I think 80 to 90% of them hit. But
Yeah,
I'm not
those are good.
yeah, right. They did play out pretty nice. And
You need to do that with Spy on Tesla though.
Okay. The Finviz.
No, that's just my earnings screener. That's all.
Oh, I see. So the
I just took a
scanner
short view.
settings that I had were to find really anything that's within a certain criteria. And dude, if you here, look, check it out. This is the criteria for my scanner. It's super simple. And so yeah, I just have the RSI. I have the average true range. I must have the ADX and then just the price. I don't even set a rule for the price. So these are just the four metrics that I look for. And when I put out that the quick picks, the ARCa quick picks or whatever that was called, it did have a good ratio, right? They did play out pretty nicely. It's just my only thing is that I it's good practice for me to go to a new ticker every single time. I like it. I like it, but the my safer play is like Tesla and Spy, you know, and things that I already kind of know how they're going to behave. So when I know the character, I feel a little safer. Even though there's a high hit rate, I still feel like I'm gambling more than I'm trading when I'm looking at something random, dude. And I think that's just confidence that I need to gain with better tools, right? So if I don't have those tools, then I'm gonna feel that lack of confidence. Like trading this on Webull is so tough. You know, I'm trading limits. I'm not trading. Instant execution. If I was, oh, dude, my life would be way easier. So I'm
Spinning thing for video.
yeah, I'm getting that same spinning thing too. Lauren, you still there?
I don't think they could hear.
I don't think so either. Damn. I think it could be. I think you could dagger, especially with the stock price that high. Bro, are you there? You guys there?
Yeah, we're here.
It looks
I
like
think your stream just loaded.
Yeah, it looks like it just loaded entirely. ARCa was in the Matrix.
ARCa had to go hit his wife for a little bit.
And I took you guys with me? Like
a little tap on the side.
The little lady has to leave again.
Little mamacita needed some spanking.
She needed a good time. Chat, can you guys hear me speak? Lauren B, anybody there? Anybody, say something.
Yeah, they said they heard you when the
they
stream came back.
Oh, okay, all right. Nice. Dude. Okay, so I think we should probably just cut it off here because they're apparently performing a scheduled maintenance, and there is a good chance that this can just go away again. So if you know, I don't want us to be subject of just dropping the ball again. I would feel really bad. But yeah, you guys, let's Jay Abrams, what is up, my dude? Sorry, you guys, I really apologize about that. Not sure exactly what happened, but yeah, like I said, it's Spectrum. They're performing a scheduled maintenance, and they're just you know, they're just messing up the entire presence here. But dude, it looks like everyone that was in here came back. Yeah, let's do that, team. We should probably be getting some rest too. It's time to just get a little good. What was that thing that you said, Zephram? You said it's time to get goofy. I never, dude. I didn't see that until today. Oh my god, bro! It is time to get goofy. Let's get it.
I was telling Cryptic I'm going to be a little high when ARCa gets back.
Like, dude, there's no way you can catch me like performing any analysis like that. Like I would just be useless.
Yeah, I'm useless. After 2 a.m. here,
Basically,
I'm
you'd
done.
be like our little buddy.
Yeah, basically, bro, I'll be trading better than him like that. Like more buddy. Like it would be increased buddy. Buddy plus. Oh, dude. Yeah, I can't perform. There's no way I could perform anything. The only thing I could probably do is open the fridge. That's about all.
I can play video games really badly around now. Right around now.
I can tell you right now that I can play video games really badly. Dude. Lauren, you got to get up in 4.5 hours. What the hell are you doing, bro? You're YOLOing here, man.
Well, Lauren has no life. So, I mean,
Lauren, what the hell, bro?
Lauren's a chick.
Dude, Lauren, I thought you were a girl, bro. I'm so sorry. And I think I asked you before too. Yeah, hell yeah, we're gonna be live in 5 hours, bro. You know how it goes up in here, man. Finger limb. There you are. Dude, I dropped out because Spectrum didn't allow me. So this is where we should probably cut it out, you guys. I love everybody. Thank you for coming by, Jay, Aiden, Lauren. It's cool to kind of chill here with the crew at night too. Man. So I'm gonna give that disclaimer, and then we be out of here. All right. Please take please take whatever I do show and iterate within these videos as just a form of entertainment, as it cannot suggest for you to buy, sell, or hold any assets whatsoever. Never. I need you to do your own due diligence and everything will be cool. But with that said, I wish you well a very, very good night. And I'll catch you at the bell mañana. Adios!
See you guys.
See ya. See ya. Yeah.
No.
Do you like... Good times here, you guys. We should probably do this again. Yeah. Later, peeps.
Oh, the stream was still on.
And now it's not. Dude, they must have had a blast listening.